Hi, Scorpio, Sun and Rising. So in May, the Sun is illuminating your seventh house of relationships and contracts, moving into your eighth house of shared resources and intimacy around mid-month. Now, Pluto goes retrograde in your fourth house, inviting you to reconcile and release painful lessons from childhood and other hidden, challenging aspects from your distant past that do not have a place in your bright future. Your tarot cards and astrology are very positive this month. Thank goodness my intense Scorpios can finally breathe a sigh of relief as May opens a new, beautiful timeline for you. The major arcana tarot card, Judgment, is the overarching theme in your tarot spread, which I am corresponding to Pluto retrograde in your fourth house. Now, Judgment speaks of making peace with the past, as well as denotes a profound personal transformation as you embrace a renewed sense of empowerment and purpose. Now, I saw a meme the other day that said, "The past doesn't need you anymore, your future does." And I would consider this your mantra for May, Scorpio. Now, I ask you, I'm looking at this Four of Cups card, how many opportunities and missed time have you experienced from dwelling on the past? Now let's check out the Oracle card Poised as it is grounding the Page of Pentacles card. I think you're ready for a new way. How about you? I also find it interesting that the Page of Pentacles has his back turned on Judgment, the Four of Cups, and the Five of Swords reversed. And let's notice the difference in the colors when you visually split this tarot spread down the middle. It's quite interesting, isn't it? So, Scorpio, you are being cordially invited by the universe to reach for the sun as you explore healthy opportunities that encourage you to grow and expand in the tangible areas of your life. And some examples of this are your money, health, relationships, and career. You know, patterns, people, and situations that are contradictory to your overall well-being, particularly in these areas, will fade back into the past where they belong, but only if you discontinue to give them power by focusing on them. So I'm going to say here, when a person, place, or thing, and this is past or present, reveals what they are, believe it. Put your stinger away, Scorpio, and instead thank the divine for showing you the truth. After that, it's up to you to decide the best way to proceed. Now, healthy existing relationships, like personal relationships, can take a deep dive as a heartfelt conversation this month is quite possible, especially towards the end of the month. Now, you both may be feeling quite open and ready to share some intimate thoughts and feelings with each other, as well as future plans and financial goals. So, as you guys open up, this solidifies your connection, further deepening your bond and trust in each other. Now, for my single people and looking, I'm going to say here, keep your standards high, Scorpio. If they ghost you, block their number and leave them be. You deserve to be treated with respect and love. Don't compromise, and you will find the person that you are looking for. Now, the new moon on the 7th in the sign of Taurus brings a fresh energy to your 7th house of partnerships, contracts, and relationships. So, this would be a wonderful opportunity to set your goals for stability and success in these areas as you set your intentions to only be available for healthy connections that complement you both personally and or financially. Now, I also mentioned this in Leo's reading, but I'm going to mention this to you too, Scorpio. I think that for those of you who are magically inclined, you may want to consider doing a road opener or glamour working, also known as a spell, for the upcoming new moon in Taurus. I believe establishing a subconscious connection to this energy would be extremely beneficial for you. Okay, Scorpio, I think that about does it for me. If you found these messages helpful, please like and subscribe. I love you all, and I know you are going to have a fabulous month of May.